The Huawei FreeClip 2 is Huawei's latest fusion of tech and fashion. As an open-ear earbud, it promises a never-feel, never-fall experience with its lightweight build, with plenty of improvements from its predecessor from 2 years ago. Instead of resting in the ear, it sits just outside the ear. Its airy C-bridge design uses a shape memory alloy with a skin-friendly silicone for a comfortable fit, and each earbud weighs in at just only 5.1 grams, making them suitable to be worn the whole day. The fit feels secure in the ear without any pinching or fatigue in the ear, and it gives you the confidence that they won't fall out of your ears during activities. Speaking of activities, the earbuds themselves are rated at IP57 dust and water resistance, so you can comfortably wear them while working out, running, or during light rain without worry. Huawei equips the FreeClip 2 with 10.8mm dual magnet drivers, which helps with audio clarity. They've also improved the sound leakage, so audio is only blasted to your ears and not to your surroundings. The Huawei FreeClip 2 delivers a clear and balanced audio experience. Highs and mids are detailed and sharp, while vocals remain clear throughout the volume range. Its bass can be a bit lacking to some, but that's by design to keep a balanced signature and avoid overpowering the other frequencies. You can tinker around its audio performance with the Huawei Audio Connect app. There are several audio presets, but you can also tune the clip themselves with a 10-band custom EQ to get your preferred sound signature. They support auto left-right detection since their design don't really have any distinction in either side. It can be controlled by swiping, tapping, or holding the larger part of the bud. Huawei has implemented head controls that allow you to reject or accept calls by nodding or shaking your head respectively. Additionally, it also supports dual device connection that allows you to connect up to 2 devices and seamlessly switch between the two. For calls, the FreeClip 2 uses a 3-mic system on each earbud with noise-cancelling algorithm from its NPU. Calls done in a quiet environment come out fairly crisp without any issues. This should give the person at the other end of the line clear audio to hear. There is some level of distortion where the earbuds try to cancel out loud background sounds, but conversation should still remain rather clear on the other end. As an open-ear device, there is no noise cancelling nor any isolation from the outside. This means that you will still hear people talking or traffic. Huawei deals with the noise with adaptive volume that raises or lowers the audio levels depending on the ambient noise. It works well in most cases, but there is an occasional tendency for the earbuds to go beyond a comfortable level, especially in louder environments. It is tagged as an experimental feature, so there may be improvements in the future. Huawei promises up to 9 hours on the FreeClip 2 with a full charge, and that checks out as we experience around 9 hours of use on a single day while working and doing everyday activities. Due to the design of the earbuds that allow them to overlap, the charging case can be made smaller and more portable. The charging case can extend the battery life by up to 38 hours, with a 10-minute charge delivering up to 30 hours of playback. The Huawei FreeClip 2's design will be divisive depending on your opinion. If you're fashionable, Huawei is also offering several accessories that can be attached to fit your style, unlike me who look like I came out from an Eastern European block apartment. But just below 10,000 in the Philippines, the Huawei FreeClip 2 offers a decent listening experience in a unique looking package. While it's not for everyone with its open-ear design, lack of active noise cancelling, and balanced sound signature, it focuses on those who want clarity in audio while still maintaining awareness in their surroundings and a style to match.